Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix contact disappeared after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy S17, a 37, or a 57, you're facing the issue that your contacts are disappeared after an update. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can go ahead to your settings here and you can try to resync your contacts from your account. So let's say if you have received your contacts from your Google account, so you can directly go to your accounts and backup here. Just click on it, click on manage accounts, select your Google account here, click on sync account, click on these three dots, click on sync. Now you have to make sure that these toggles are enabled, especially for contacts. Then click on the sync now, it will resync your contacts from your Google account. Once I've done, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to a search or you can directly look for your contacts app. Just keep links on your contacts app here. Click on this info button or eye icon here. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. You can also try to clear data. Once you have done, it will clear all the temporary files or junk files from your contact apps. If there will be an issue to that, it will be fixing this app and you will not get this issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to go out to your phone app here. Click on these three dots and click on this view as location. Make sure you have selected all accounts or all contacts here. Once you have selected, your issue will be fixed. You will not get this issue again. If you're still facing the same issue, you can try to make a restart with your phone. It might be a software glitch, which can be easily fixed by restarting your phone. Or the one more thing you can try to check to go ahead to your contacts app, click on these three dots and click on recycle bin and check if you have deleted any contact from your recycle bin or if might be moved to your recycle bin here. You have to check out your recycle bin also because sometimes it might be that once you have accidentally deleted any contact or all your contacts, these might be moved to your recycle bin. So you might get that from here. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue if your contacts are disappeared from your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.